again, girl. I'll go take that. Got what? Oh. Yeah, it gets annoying after a while, doesn't it? Loud.
Jamie, wouldn't you hate to sleep in the same bedroom as that?
Yep.
Where are you going, Bijou?
Alrighty. Isn't that cute to see her play? We love it. Love it, love it. Alrighty.
Oh, goodness sakes, Janie, Janie.